Most people brew coffee at home with good intentions, but small habits often weaken the cup without anyone realizing it. A casual scoop instead of a measured dose, a forgotten cleaning step, or a rush to pour water all lead to inconsistent flavor. These mistakes are common and easy to fix once they are seen clearly. By understanding these habits, you can improve your daily brew without buying new equipment. Many home brewers scoop coffee by sight, which leads to unpredictable results. A small kitchen scale eliminates this inconsistency. People often forget that different brewers require different grind sizes. Using one universal grind is a common mistake that causes weak or bitter cups. Many assume beans last for months. In reality, flavor drops quickly. Using beans far past their peak is one of the most common home crimes. Leaving beans near the stove or in a clear container exposes them to heat and light. This speeds up flavor loss more than most people expect. Water makes up almost the entire cup, yet many ignore its quality. Hard or chlorinated water dulls sweetness and adds harshness. Rushing the pour prevents the grounds from extracting evenly. A slow, steady pour produces far better clarity. Many people pour water all at once and skip blooming. This leaves trapped gas in the grounds and leads to uneven flavors. Grinding coffee long before brewing causes it to lose aroma almost instantly. Making this a habit reduces flavor throughout the week. Reheating coffee in the microwave or on the stove destroys sweetness and accentuates bitterness. It is one of the fastest ways to ruin a well-made cup. Adding too much coffee or water to a small brewer pushes it beyond its design. This affects flow rate and extraction. Making very small batches in a large machine often produces weak coffee because the water does not interact with the grounds correctly. A filter basket coated with old oils can make every cup taste stale. Even a thin film of residue changes flavor. Coffee oils build up in grinders and become rancid over time. Cleaning the grinder regularly protects flavor. Leaving water inside the kettle between uses reduces oxygen content, which weakens flavor. Fresh water improves clarity. Water straight off the boil can scorch the grounds. Allowing it to cool slightly before pouring creates a smoother cup. Vigorous stirring disturbs the bed of grounds and causes uneven extraction. A gentle swirl is usually enough. Cold equipment cools the brew instantly and dulls flavor. A quick rinse with hot water prepares the brewer. Making coffee without timing the process often leads to inconsistent results. A simple timer helps build reliable habits. Beans degrade faster once the bag is opened. Buying in smaller batches keeps flavor more consistent. Many home brewers abandon a method too soon after one bad cup. A small adjustment often fixes the problem, so patience pays off.